to my channel and for another hair tutorial, you guys. I'm going to show you how I achieve these beautiful waves slash curls using my Bondi Boost wand and my Effortless 1.25 inch curling iron. So continue watching. All right, so we are going to start in the back. My hair, I washed it yesterday, just let it air dry. So I'm gonna use my Bondi Boost wand. Yeah, so it's a size 32 barrel, and we are just gonna start waving it up. I love this iron, you guys. It is so quick and convenient, and the waves literally last me days. So normally I probably wash my hair every like 2 days, 3 if I'm pushing it, but since I've been a little more active with, you know, walking, working out, I have to do like 2 days because my hair gets kind of sweaty. So we're just gonna wave it up, you guys. And like I said, this is so fast, so convenient. And the one thing too is I'm not gonna use hairspray before waving it with the extensions. Well, I mentioned in my last video, you guys, I just got tape and extensions and I'm obsessed. So I just want to take care of them. You know, I don't want to add a lot of product on them. I definitely do add hairspray, but more after. So trying to keep them as hydrated as possible. And like I said, this wave iron, oh my gosh, it's so nice, you guys. If you have stubborn hair or you just feel like your hair doesn't hold a curl, it doesn't last as long, like this is your go-to. And they have a smaller size too if you want it a little bit tighter. So it's really, really nice. So I'm gonna continue, you guys, and my sectioning is not super small. It's nice because this barrel is so big. As you can see, look at how big it is. So you could fit a lot of hair in there. One thing I do recommend is kind of taking a little bit narrow section, so that way when it's all down, it's kind of like, it's not all the same. You know, it looks a little more tousled. Natural wave. Or not, what's the word I'm trying to say? It doesn't look too structured, too perfect. So you guys, we're just gonna continue, and I'm gonna try to crimp this hair up super quick. It'll probably take me like 10 minutes. So I am getting ready. I am working in the salon today. I have a very busy day. I have, my first client is root touch up, and I need to push her extensions up. And then I also have another client that is getting her color done as well. And I'm installing some tape and extensions. Same color as mine, you guys. I'm excited. I'll have to definitely post her hair. Give it a little shake. Okay. See, that's pretty quick, and that's almost like, I would say almost like half my head. Okay, so I'm gonna probably take the top out. Pin that up. Split it down the middle, that's the easiest for me. Comb. So when I shampoo my hair, you guys, I always put a leave-in conditioner and a little heat protector if I'm gonna just let it air dry, because most of the time I'm always doing my hair, putting some sort of heat on it. So this is the first time, you guys, I've done any type of like extensions on my hair. And I absolutely love, 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 love. I'm so obsessed. I was kind of worried because I'm like, is it gonna feel uncomfortable? Am I gonna feel tension on my head? No, I am so happy I did them. So the extensions that I used were the Glam seamless tape-in extensions. And this is the color Dirty Blonde. And I'm so obsessed. Like, look at that, like the color match is perfect. I'm trying to make this quick because I still need to prep my food or pack my lunch. It's prepped, but I gotta pack my lunch. See, look at how quick. Super, super quick. Okay, so now we're gonna move it to the other side. The hair that's already done, I just push it back. Real quick brush. Start in the back section. So this part, you guys, is pretty repetitive, so we're just gonna keep crimping. All right, guys, I'm looking in the mirror. Okay, so this is the top section, you guys. We are almost done. I like to take the back, the sides down the middle, well, middle parting. Okay, so we got that parted. Okay, so I'm gonna split this down the middle. I'll do this one on this side. Okay, and then I'll do this one. And I just work side to side, you guys. It's so much easier that way. Side to side. Okay, so I'm gonna split these in two. always want to make sure you get those ends in there too so they don't stick out. For these front pieces, I don't like to go too high. Try not to go too high. And what I do too, if you happen to get like a little crease, you could hit it with a flat iron. Look at how pretty this color is, you guys. Oh my gosh, I love. Okay, last piece. So this is what it looks like. So pretty, you guys. I'm gonna add a little hairspray, but first, you guys, I'm gonna show you too what you can do if you wanna just make it look a little more natural. You could always just add some curl to it as well. Just to make it a little more tousled, not so crimpy. And what you can do is rotate it. So you can just take a few sections towards the front and then some away from your face. So this one I'm going towards. And I'm just grabbing random pieces. Nothing in particular, no specific pattern. And then this size curling iron is 1.25 inches, okay? And so what I'm gonna do is go in with this Schwarzkopf hairspray. And even this little front piece, I'm gonna go away from my face. Usually the ones like right in the front, I like to do away from the face. So you guys see the difference? Like look at how this side looks compared to this side. This side doesn't have the iron. And this side, I just added a few, nothing crazy. Little spray. Like that. So now we're gonna do this side. Just a few. I'm gonna switch hands with my iron. You guys, I really miss doing hair tutorials. Sometimes I just get really busy with my work and it's hard for me to stay on top of it, but I really do miss it. And I have mentioned like on my Instagram and shared my surgery journey, but I had surgery a year ago in July and I had a tummy tuck and I noticed around 3 to 4 months post-op, my hair started falling out so bad, which is normal. They say that's part of like the whole anesthesia side effect. And so now it stopped. It's getting better, but you know, it's gonna take a while for all that hair to grow back in. So I've been on my vitamins and all that good stuff, but it takes time. And I'm used to having long hair. Like I said, this is the first time I've ever had extensions. So it's new for me, but getting them in, I am so happy. It just brought like my hair confidence back. So excited. So I'm like, oh my God, I can't wait to film tutorials. So I hope you guys enjoy. And if you are enjoying, you guys comment below on what type of styles you would like me to do, because I love getting ready. I love doing my hair. I just love feeling good. You know, I love doing my hair and makeup. So let me know what you guys would like to see and I will film. And I'll make more. I was even thinking too, like try to film some content of like my work day at the salon. Like, so we'll see. I'll try to get creative, but let me know what you guys want to see. But look at how beautiful. Do you guys see how that just kind of gave it a little more, almost like a little more of a natural look versus crimpy? Super cute.